back to my channel. So today I filmed a tutorial on this bomb curly hair and this half up half down style. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I slay this look, keep on watching.
Alright y'all, so this is the wig, and this is just a 30-inch 360 deep wave wig from Elfin hair. So I did already bleach the knots and I did already pre-pluck it. I'm going to go ahead and just fit the wig on my head and begin to cut around my ears. Once I've cut around my ears, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. I did cut the lace off camera because it's really difficult to cut the lace and show you guys. So now I'm just adjusting the wig and making sure everything fits right before I begin gluing it down. I'm going to go in with my Bold Hold lace glue. This is currently the glue that I have been using. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to be putting my hair down in 3 layers. I'm going to do the first top middle of my head, and then I'm going to do my left to right side. And I only do 2 layers of this glue. I don't ever really do more. I just do 2 layers. So now that the glue's dried clear, I'm going ahead and beginning to apply it. And honestly y'all, this hair is bomb. The quality of it is bomb. It basically speaks for itself. I'm also going in and doing the left and right corners of my ear as I go.
Just in case anybody's confused right now, I'm in the middle of I'm trying to do a TikTok and film for y'all, but I wanted to try to do like a TikTok. So if you guys are confused on what's going on, yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and begin to do my baby hairs. Yeah, and I finally got some earrings. Since I'm doing a half up half down style, I want my baby hairs to be like, it's not gonna be a center part, but I already know, like I have an idea of how I'm gonna do my baby hairs.
So now I'm just going ahead and continuing along with my baby hairs. This is going to be the first swoop that I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be using not Ghost Bond, what am I saying? I'm going to be using the gel, which is by Got To Be. And I'm using the yellow one, which comes out white. That's the one I'm using with a regular edge toothbrush. And I'm just going ahead and doing my baby hairs. I'm doing my baby hairs in a different position this time because my hair is not parted in the middle or the side. It's going straight up. So you kind of have to make sure your baby hairs are going into like a flow of a ponytail, kind of. You can't really do how you would do it with a middle part or a side part.
Alright, so now that my baby hairs are finished, I'm gonna begin. It's already 5. I'm gonna go ahead and start to part my hair because I'm gonna be doing it in a I know that is not my cap. I'm gonna be doing it in a half up, half down style, like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that this little hot comb is all the way out. Alright y'all, so this is how the hair is going to be going up. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and attach the straps in the back of my wig. So now that I've got everything all figured out, I'm going to go ahead and begin to press out the tops of my head. So I'm basically going to be parting it like this into smaller sections. And so basically, alright, for example, I have the hair going to be going up like this, so I'm just gonna hot comb the sections and have it fall going up. So I'm gonna split it. Basically, I'm gonna split the sides. So I want the sides to be flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to brush it into like a ponytail. This hair is really hard to maintain and stuff because the length is 30 inches, so it's super long and it is kind of difficult. Okay, but this is just a test ponytail, just to see how everything lays. This isn't like the final ponytail. So it looks pretty flat to me. It looks pretty flat. It just needs to be sleeked out. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some pieces out right here. And also as well on this side. I'm just gonna pull some pieces out. I'm gonna keep these two down, and so far everything looks good. I'm gonna take my wax stick and I'm just going to basically wax out and separate the hair that might combine with the ponytail, and separating the part in the ponytail. Then I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm gonna redo that for y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and like spritz my hair up and kind of fix it nicer in the ponytail. I just want to make sure that those pieces don't get caught up in the hair. I'm taking some of my spritz and I'm just spraying that area. And I'm also taking some oil sheen. And then I'm going to be brushing it first. Mind y'all that I do have on long nails, so everything that I'm doing is a bit harder due to the length of my nails, like gripping the ponytail and stuff. See, like this part right here, I need to make sure that's flat and laid because that part is super important. I'm gonna take this and tie it into a double knot, and then I'm going to tighten it and basically begin to create my ponytail. If this ponytail comes out fine, then I'll keep it. If it doesn't, I'll redo it. Bam. Whew. I like it. Okay, and I'm gonna pull that down some so y'all can see how the ponytail sits on me. Pull it down. Looks pretty nice. I'm gonna part it. Now that my ponytail is sitting up nice, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it a little bit more. I just sprayed my face, and I'm taking some more oil sheen. Usually I would do a wraparound piece, but I'm not even in the mood to be doing that, to be honest. I don't like wraparound pieces like that. Now I'm taking out all the hair. I think I'm gonna do a wraparound piece just so it can look a little bit more defined. So for the wraparound piece, I just took a small piece from the bag. My flat iron is not on, so I'm just gonna give it a hot comb. Hot comb isn't really gonna do much to it. I'm just gonna just lightly take out any kinks that it has, and then I'm just going to spray it out with some spritz. And go ahead. I'm just going to wrap it around. I don't really go like, I'm not like too neat with it because I really don't specialize in these. I don't really like doing half up, half downs. So I just do it to the best of my likings. And you know, as long as you get the picture, because I don't like the ponytail to be too high from the, hold on y'all, I'm just like spinning it around until it finishes out. Alright, oh, that made my arms hurt. I don't be liking my ponytail to look too high from the actual updo itself. So this is basically how it looks. Got me a new buddy, knowing me some new tea. It kind of looks like a ponytail. Like you can't really tell that it's a half up, half down, which I actually don't mind it looking like that. So now I'm gonna go. I'm actually not gonna wet it, but I gotta go get my Lava Body spray. So this is how the hair looks out. I think it looks so pretty. So some quick things about this hair is I did go ahead and co-wash it when I first installed it. Before I installed it, I went ahead and co-washed it, and I did bleach the knots. I'm doing this so that the hairs fall more back and don't keep falling like in my face. So I'm just doing that. But yes, so it has been pre-washed. After that, it's in its natural state. I haven't really put anything on it or nothing like that. So I'm gonna split it apart because I like it like this in the pattern. I'm just gonna put some stuff just to really like define my curls a bit more. So if you guys are new to my channel, then a lot of products that I used to use, I don't use, but I still use. I'm just getting like new things and trying out other stuff. But if you guys are old for my channel, you guys know that I always use BTZ. That's the brand, and I use New Head on my curls. But now I found something that is like a bit similar, and it's like a lot cheaper, and it's still in stores, which means people haven't peeped how good the product really is yet. So I'm letting y'all know first. If y'all already know about it, because it is an old time brand, it's by Lotta Body, and everybody know about Lotta Body mousse. but this is the Fortify Me Straightening Leave-In Conditioner, and it smells like coconuts. It smells very, very good. I love it. It leaves your hair smelling so good. And I just like to give that a few sprays, and that basically just defines the hair a bit better. Instead of just wetting it, I could just put some of that on there, and I love what it does to my curls. Oh shit, I just sprayed spritz. Damn, my spray. I'm wondering why the smell has changed. I literally just sprayed spritz because I put the bottle down. This is how it looks. Half up, half down. But I just want to make sure that this is, I think they told me this was a full lace. Okay, it's a 360 frontal wig. So be sure to check out Elfin hair. I'll have the description box and all the information on this hair down below. As you guys can see, the hair melted perfectly and I love it. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see it because I did bleach them out myself. So this is how it looks. So if you guys are also worrying about this jumpsuit that I have on, this is from my new boutique, and I'm gonna have the description listed down below. So be sure to check that out. Make sure you guys check out the website, and yeah, comment down below what you guys think about this hair. Comment down below if you like how I styled it. Comment down below more things you guys want to see me do. Thank you guys for watching.